y'all, Tammy here with Happi Art Creations. I've been working with some really pretty ocean colors and so forth, and anyhow did a floating cup, an open cup, and I did some coasters and some jewelry with it, and I went, oh man, these colors are gorgeous. So I thinned them down and got them ready for a Dutch pour, because I think these colors are going to be gorgeous. Alrighty. We have turquoise. Oh, let's see. We have got Prussian blue by Arteza. Where's my thingy? There. Alright, so I'm going to start like that. This one is the permanent light blue Liquitex. Sorry guys, what I'm thinking here. This is the green blue by Amsterdam. Look at these colors. I mean, come on, right? This is the turquoise by Montmartre. Very, very pretty. Cobolt by Liquitex Basics. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Alright, this right here, this is Iridescent Blue by Golden. Yeah, it is spread out, hadn't it? Gee whiz. Alright, 12 by 24 canvas. Actually board. And some beautiful gold. We'll just, you know, I mean, come on, right? Just little specks. Alright, let me make sure I've got my little ditty here going. Pop some bubbles. Just a few. Alright. Put my white around for flow. I know not everybody does that anymore, but I'm not there yet. Okay, got my blow dryer. Basically, I'm going to start in the middle and kind of work around. Never really know exactly. There we go. Oh my gosh, look at that. Woo! Alright, these little spots here I can cover with the white, so I'm not really worried about it. A lot of times you can just go like that and then put white on it. Yeah, one thing about these boards here, they don't, oops, there it is. They don't give, they don't bend. Alright, let me take a look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I think I'm just going to blow a little bit here, so get all my gadgety gadgets out of the way. You think I would have thought about this, but you know, I get excited. How about you? Alright, there we go. Just a little. Oh man, I like this. Maybe just a little. Maybe here. Maybe right in here. I don't want to overdo it. I kind of don't know what to do with this right here. It needs maybe something. Let's see, I'll blow this way. Okay. It's going to make it a little hard. Oh, got my boob in it. Where did I do that? Oh, right there. I can fix that. There are worse things in life, but man, you hate it when you do that. Woo! What do y'all think? It is so pretty. Let me get some torching on that. Y'all, I can't stop yet, I know. Are y'all screaming, stop, stop? I'm gonna stop. Paint on my thing, there. Let's see what we can get. Any more cells in that white area. This blue right in here. Sometimes it's best to leave things alone. And I'm not going to touch it anymore. I kind of like what's coming up in these. See it? It's kind of bringing out what I wanted. Oh, I still want this to go somewhere. Let me blow a little. Y'all be patient with me. There, I think that kind of filled in that gap. Paint. And then that iridescent blue, that interference blue, I said iridescent earlier, and I meant the other. Interference, and it will show with movement. So let me stop this camera, and I will get down and I will show you what it's like. Hang on just a sec. Okay, here we go. Let me get in. Does that go? Oops, that go any further? There we go. Look at these pretty cells. Oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? Wow. Sorry about that glare up above. Not a whole lot I can do with that. I love this. Look at that. Can you see those little bitty ones? And I love these colors right here. This is one of my favorite techniques, y'all. There's no silicone at all in this. Wow. And here's the view from over here. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. Well, y'all, I'm fixing to stop painting for the night. I've been painting. I just went on a spree. But I just want to say thank you for visiting me. I appreciate it. All of my art is for sale. You can reach me at Happi Art Creations at Gmail, or on my Facebook page at Happi Art Creations, and on Instagram, Happi Art Creations. And y'all, I'm so very thankful that you got to visit, and I can't wait to see this dry. Okay, y'all, I'll see you next time. All right, toodaloo. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye.